Yes, this colloquium of combinatorics has a long history, and I know that many mathematicians who are now professional mathematicians working at universities, which are professors, they gave the first talks in their life at the Colloquium on Combinatorics. And I think this is really, for many people, it was a unique possibility to meet other mathematicians, professional mathematicians, and to get experience how to present talks at an international conference.
Things I really like about Kolkom, and I should make the disclaimer that I'm a computer scientist, and hence Kolkom is not traditionally the type of conference I would attend, in the sense that every field has its own conference, of course, and computer scientists go to their conferences. But one of the things I think we're trying to really push here, and the organizers of Kolkom, which to be clear does not include me, is that they're trying to keep it open towards other fields as well, and to foster collaboration. So especially between mathematics, computer science, and even potentially things like physics, right? And these are the things that I think are very important, especially for somebody like myself who comes from a field as diverse as quantum computation. We really need the expertise of multiple people on a team to make a project work. And so I think this is one of the things that is really great about Kolkom. It really fosters this diversity, and I genuinely hope that we'll continue in this track here at Paderborn University while we host the conference in the coming years.
Here the Kolkom plays a very important role because it brings together researchers in Germany, and there are only very few combinatorics conferences in Germany, and Kolkom is one of it. So I'm very happy to be here and to meet new people from Germany and the neighboring countries.
I think it's very important to meet people from, well, it's the same area but slightly different disguises. So for example, yesterday I was inspired by the talk of Alexander Pott, and it just inspired me to do some research in another direction, which I think is really helpful.
So the Colloquium on Combinatorics was initiated by Walter Deuber from Bielefeld University in the 1980s, and since then the conference is run several times by different universities here in Germany. Details can be found on our cup, which we had been produced for the 35th Colloquium on Combinatorics, which was the first which took place at Paderborn University. And so now, 2019, it's the fourth Colloquium on Combinatorics which we will run at Paderborn University.
The idea of the Colloquium on Combinatorics is, on one hand, to bring together established researchers and young scientists who are in the early stage of their career. On the other hand, the idea of the colloquium is, unlike in more specialized combinatorics conferences, to bring together people from different areas of combinatorics and to make them talk to each other.